Hello everyone, I'm Mohana. Welcome to Fuel by Acrylics. Today I'll show you how to paint a very pretty ocean for beginners. Follow all the steps I'll tell you throughout the video and I'm sure anybody can paint it. Check the description box for the materials you'll need. Okay, so let's get started. At the top of the canvas, put some sky blue paint and some white. Now take some Cobalt Blue, burnt Sienna and viridian and mix them to paint the middle section. Now take some blue viridian white to paint the third section. On the bottom sand, paint it with burnt sienna, blue, yellow ochre and white. On top of it, on the remaining section, take some green and white on the sand colors and mix it to paint. Now take some white to paint the clouds. Take some of the white and form waves on the darker part of the ocean. And bring out the colors with some darker shades of black or burnt sienna and cobalt blue. Draw the outline of the main curve of the painting. Bring out the lighter and darker shades. For lighter shades, take some viridian blue and white. For darker ones, take some blue burnt sienna. Now take some white and put it where the waves are crashing. After you have done putting the white with your brush, take a palette knife to put the white. Bring out the waves and the sea foam with some white. Use a thin brush to bring out the tiny sparkles of the ocean we see at the back. Use the brush to paint random curves for sea foam. And to paint where the water ends on the sand, outline it with some white. And under it, provide some shadow with more burnt sienna and less blue. Now take a brush and bring out the shadow of the sea foam with more blue and less burnt sienna. Lastly, bring out the sea foam with some white. guys, this is it for today. Please subscribe to my channel for future updates. I hope you enjoyed this easy, beautiful ocean that anybody can paint. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment your thoughts down below. Thank you. Bye.